A profit and a Friday deadline for Time Warner Cable. That's at the top of your Thursday morning call. The company posting a 6.4% rise in quarterly profit this morning. Demand for high-speed data services rising substantially. Shares have climbed in the last 3 months, but have taken a slight tumble over the last couple of weeks during its squabble with CBS over retransmission fees. The companies have set a Friday deadline to reach a deal after the previous deal expired. And Procter & Gamble posting a nearly 50% drop in net income moments ago, its first results since bringing back veteran CEO A.G. Lafley. Shares are up in the pre-market. Stock futures this morning signaling a strong open with the Dow up more than 100 points in the pre-market. The yield on the 10-year also coming down a bit after the Fed said it would continue buying bonds. Turning to European shares, they're up in anticipation of the ECB maintaining interest rate policy. The Bank of England said today it will maintain its benchmark lending rate. The big piece of U.S. data, the ISM Manufacturing Index. Some analysts think data will show that the sector shrunk in July for the first time in 10 months. A Reuters survey indicates very slight growth. Also, keep an eye out for jobs data. IFR says weekly jobless claims for the week ended July 27th should show little change, coming in around 345,000. And IFR says light vehicle sales declined to about a 15.7 million annual rate in July. That's down slightly from June's pace. Your stocks to watch this morning, JCPenney saying all is well. Shares up 7.5% in the pre-market after the company said commercial lender CIT is still funding deliveries from vendors. The retailer says it expects to end the current quarter with $1.5 billion in cash. Dell shares up in the pre-market. Some of Dell's largest investors who have up until now abstained from voting on Michael Dell's deal told the company's board this week that they would back his bid at the buyout group's latest offer price. That's according to sources close to the deal who spoke to Reuters. Finally, Google shares climbing slightly ahead of the open. Motorola is expected to unveil the Moto X phone, its biggest device launch since Google bought the company. That's your Thursday morning call. Remember to follow us on Twitter at Reuters Insider and get more great videos at Reuters.com/ReutersTV. I'm Lisa Bernhard. This is Reuters.